Eat these foods to strengthen your lungs. Welcome back to Best Life Channel, where we share essential health and treatment tips. Today we're focusing on an important topic: foods that can help strengthen your lungs. Good lung health is crucial for overall well-being, and the right nutrition can play a significant role in supporting respiratory function. Let's explore some of the best foods to keep your lungs healthy and strong. Number 1, leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the lungs. These nutrients support the immune system and promote healthy lung function. Add a variety of greens to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries for a nutritious boost. Number 2, fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These healthy fats can help protect lung function and improve respiratory health. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week to reap the benefits. Number 3, berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the lungs. They are also high in vitamin C, which supports the immune system. Enjoy berries as a snack, in smoothies, or added to yogurt for a delicious way to support lung health. Number 4, garlic. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can benefit lung health. It may help reduce the risk of respiratory infections and improve overall lung function. Incorporate fresh garlic into your meals for added flavor and health benefits. Number 5, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, particularly walnuts and flax seeds, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. Vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties and can help protect lung tissue from damage. Snack on a handful of nuts or sprinkle seeds on your salads and smoothies. Number 6, turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and support overall respiratory health. Add turmeric to soups, stews, or smoothies for an extra health kick. Number 7, tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that may help reduce inflammation and protect lung function. They are also a great source of vitamins C and E. Enjoy fresh tomatoes in salads, sauces, or as a base for soups to support your lung health. Number 8, beets. Beets are a fantastic source of nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the lungs. They also contain antioxidants that support lung health. Roast or steam beets, or add them to salads and smoothies for a colorful and nutritious addition to your meals. By incorporating these lung-strengthening foods into your diet, you can support your respiratory health and improve your overall well-being. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and avoiding smoking, is also vital for optimal lung function. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Do you have any favorite foods for lung health? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Best Life Channel.